Hello friends. Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will do another problem which is on nature of the flow field, and this is a problem from GATE 2018 paper 1 mechanical. Okay, so let us see this. For a two-dimensional incompressible flow field given by u is equal to a into xi minus yj, where a is greater than 0, which one of the following statement is false? It satisfies continuity equation. It is unidirectional when x tends to 0 and y tends to infinity. Its streamlines are given by x is equal to y. It is irrotational. We will see what is the answer here. Okay. So now, first of all, it satisfies continuity equation. Let us check that. What is continuity equation here? Dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Let us check. What is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is 1 minus or plus, we will see. So dou v by dou y is minus 1, that is equal to 0. So continuity equation is satisfied. What about the second case? When x tends to 0, y tends to infinity. Is it one dimensional? Obviously, because y becomes very big and x becomes very insignificant. So what is important is that flow is only in the y direction. So that is true. So this is true, this is true. What about streamline? Is given by x is equal to y. What is the equation of the streamline? Equation of the streamline is dx by u is equal to dy by v, or we can say v dx minus u dy is equal to 0. Let us check that. V is given as minus y, correct, minus y into dx minus x into dy, because u is x is equal to 0. Let us integrate this. When we integrate this, we get minus xy, and here another place also we get minus xy, because x comes here, here y comes. So xy is equal to constant, or minus 2xy is equal to constant, which is the equation of the streamline. But what is given here? X is equal to y. So this is not the answer. Next, this is false, correct? So what? It is irrotational. What do you mean by irrotational? If it is irrotational, then what should happen? It is half into what is rotationality along the z axis. If z axis is the axis about which it rotates, because this is xy plane. So this is dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. Let us check that whether this goes to whether there is some rotation here. What is dou v by dou x? That becomes 0. What is dou u by dou y? That also becomes 0. So this becomes equal to 0. That is why it is irrotational is correct. Now the question what is asked is which is false? Which is false? C is false. So that is the answer. I hope you have understood, students. Thank you very much.